सुस्वागतम सुस्वागतम सुस्वागतम. सेंट पॉल परिवारातर्फे सर्व विद्यार्थी आणि त्यांचे पालकवर्ग यांचे स्वागत. आपल्या भारतात अनेक सण साजरे होत असतात. हिंदूंचा दिवाळी हा त्यातला प्रमुख सण. दिवाळी म्हणजे दिव्यांचा सण. दिवा म्हणजे एक मांगल्याचं प्रतीक. एक छोटासा दिवा जेव्हा उजळतो तो आजूबाजूच्या संपूर्ण अंधाराला नष्ट करतो. माझी ईश्वराला हीच प्रार्थना आहे की आज आपण ज्या बिकट परिस्थितीतून जात आहोत त्या सर्वातून आपल्याला देवाने प्रकाशमय वाट दाखवावी, सगळ्यांना निरोगी आयुष्य प्रदान करावं. या आपल्यासमोर सादर होणाऱ्या कार्यक्रमात मी आता एक छोटीशी ईश्वरचरणी प्रार्थना करते आणि या कार्यक्रमाला सुरुवात करते. हे ईश्वरा, सर्वांना चांगली बुद्धी दे, आरोग्य दे, सर्वांना सुखात आनंद ऐश्वर्यात ठेव. सर्वांचं भलं कर, कल्याण कर, रक्षण कर आणि तुझे गोड नाम मुखी अखंड राहू दे. पुन्हा एकदा सगळ्यांचं स्वागत करून पुढील कार्यक्रमाला सुरुवात होते.
Dear students, it's long time since I had spoken to you. Hope all of you are safe and sound. Learning from home is difficult, but I am sure that you must have adjusted yourself and trying to learn. Today once again I am before you to give best wishes on the occasion of important feast, that is Diwali. Diwali brings to our mind the images of light, special meals, and exchange of gifts and sweets. Diwali is a celebration of the triumph of good over evil, light over darkness, awareness over ignorance, an occasion to celebrate life. Diwali is the festival of joy and happiness. People buy a lot of crackers and fire them or burst them. This year, due to pandemic COVID-19, we are unable to celebrate Diwali or burst the crackers. We need to take care of ourselves and others. We have to live with this COVID-19 and continue our activities from home. Our lives are important than anything else. Let us adhere to the rules of the government. Let us wear mask, use sanitizer, keep social distancing, celebrate Diwali without crackers, and you will be safe. Take care of everyone and others. Happy Diwali. God bless you.
Good morning to one and all. The beauty of an Indian culture and diversity lies in the heart of festivals. Every religion has got its own set of festivals. Today, on account of celebration of Diwali, let us first know its significance. Diwali, or Festival of Lights, is celebrated to signify the truth and just sustain over bad and evil. Diwali is an ancient Hindu festival one of the largest and brightest festivals in India. What is the meaning of Diwali? The word Diwali has been derived from Deepavali, which in turn is formed by Deepa plus Avali. The meaning of Avali is row. Deepavali is thus a line or a row of lamps. So Diwali or Deepavali is a spiritual celebration. Significance of lighting a lamp. Light symbolizes knowledge. Darkness means ignorance. Knowledge removes ignorance just as light removes darkness. It is through the light that the beauty of this world is revealed or experienced. Hence, we light the lamp to bow down to knowledge as the greatest of all forms of wealth. Diwali is the most beautiful and the grandest religious festival. It is observed by the majority of people in India and around the globe, especially by Jains, Sikhs, and Hindus. Why do we celebrate Diwali? According to Hindu ancient history, in northern part of India, Lord Sri Ram returned to his kingdom Ayodhya after 14 years of exile, where he destroyed demon King Ravan in a fierce war. After this victory of good over evil, Sri Ram returned to Ayodhya with his wife Sita and Lakshman. In Ayodhya, the people welcomed them by lighting rows of clay lamps. So, it is an occasion in honor of Ram's victory over Ravan, truth's victory over evil. According to Hindu ancient history, in southern part of India, Lord Sri Krishna liberated the troubled masses from immorality, greed, and bad tendency by slaying the demon Narkasur, who was an icon of demonic attitude. Deepavali symbolizes this conquest of divine thoughts over evil tendencies. The dying Narkasur asked Lord Krishna for a boon. On this day, that is the day of Titi, let one who takes an auspicious oil bath, which is called as Mangal Stan, will not suffer in hell. According to Jain religion, Lord Mahavir attained nirvana, achieved to a state of absolute bliss. The Lord discarded the body and the bondage of all karmas on that night and attained mukti or salvation. During this period, devotees observe fasting and chant sutra. According to Sikh religion, the Mughal emperor Jahangir, who imprisoned the sixth Sikh Guru and 52 Hindu kings. However, at the request of Indian people, Jahangir released Guru Har Gobind Sahib on the day of Diwali, along with the 52 kings. Sikhs were very happy as their leader was released, and Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji went to the Golden Temple offered his prayer on the day after his release. Worshippers floated colored lit candles in the lake of Golden Temple, and the day was celebrated with a grand firework display. Buddhists celebrate Diwali as Ashok Vijayadashmi. This is the day Indian Emperor Ashoka the Great converted to Buddhism. His support for the religion allowed it to spread across India. Diwali. Four religions, one celebrations. When do we celebrate Diwali? The Hindu calendar is based on the lunar cycle and the movement of the moon, unlike the conventional Western or Gregorian calendar. Diwali is a series of festivals of 5 days, which falls towards the end of Hindu month of Ashwin. Before Diwali night, people clean, renovate, and decorate their homes. The first day of Diwali is Dhanteras. The word Dhan means wealth. People buy jewelry and worship it to God Dhanvantri. Second day is called as Narka Chaturdashi. It marks the death of the tyrant king Narakasara, who imprisoned on this day. Lighting lamp can destroy demonic energies. Third day, Lakshmi Pujan. The third day is the main Diwali new moon day. This is the day Mother Goddess Lakshmi is worshipped with utmost devotion, the goddess of good luck, wealth, and fortune. After puja, fireworks follows, then a family feast including mithai, which is sweets, and exchange of gifts between family members and close friends. Fourth day, Choti Diwali. The fourth day is the Nutan Varsh, the Hindu New Year's Day for some regions of India. It is looked as the most auspicious time to start any venture. On Diwali night, everyone dress up in new clothes, light up diyas, lamps and candles inside and outside their homes. Participate in small family puja. On fifth day is Bhai Dooj. The fifth day known as Bhai Dooj, love and good wishes between brothers and sisters. Sister put a scared mark with kumku on her brother's forehead and prays for his long life and prosperity. Rangoli is drawn in front of the door or in front of place of worship or on the wooden platform to worship goddess Sri Lakshmi. Rangoli emanates divine frequencies, hence, it is drawn on any auspicious rituals to be protected from the trouble from negative energies. Festivals reunite people with their friends and distant relatives, which help a person to be free from all stress and anxiety. It fills human hearts with optimism and positive outlook. Thus, we have to preserve our culture and tradition where festivals are the integral part of them. May the light of the Diwali lamps fill your life with success, happiness, and joy. Wishing you and your family a happy Diwali, my dear boys.
Hey boys, first of all, I wish you a very happy Diwali to you and your family members. So, as you know, this year COVID-19, because of pandemic, the whole world are suffering, and also the whole world are celebrating Diwali by virtual mode, that is online mode. So here I am also sharing you some ideas with you all in today's video presentations, and also I taken the pledge to make my Diwali memorable. As I said, no crackers this Diwali. Instead of cracker, I will burst my body fat and I keep myself healthy and fit. So I hope you also take some pledge in this Diwali and you make your Diwali memorable this year. So I hope you will enjoy your Diwali this year. So once again, happy Diwali to you all. All the best.
Respected manager, principal, teachers, parents, and my dear boys. Gratitude makes sense of our past, brings peace for today, and creates a vision for tomorrow. Now it's time to say a big thanks to our teachers, Miss Vaishali, Miss Kalpana, Sir Prashant, who have been the backbone of this function and made it a great success.
Diwali is the day to light the diyas, ignite the rockets, and burst crackers. But it is also the time to be safe from the fireworks and all the sparklers. This Diwali, let us give thanks for all we hold, dear boys, our health, our family, our friends, and to the grace of God which never ends. Happiness is in the air. It's Diwali everywhere. Let's show some love, care, and wish everyone out there. Happy Diwali from all at St. Paul's High School.